This video is about picking up where we finished the last time. I'm reaming the top of the stump here, and I've one small modification, and that is that I have a loose plastic ring that centers the reamer in the hole below. The other small modification I've made is that instead of a loose platform there, I've reduced the size of the platform and I've drilled a hole, a 5.5 millimeter hole through here into a 4 millimeter hole in the stem, and that drilling is done at 10 degrees, and that removes the difficulty of positioning the arm either maybe too much to the front or too much to the back. This puts it in the final position. Then my next step then is to measure just 4 measurements. The 2 stumps here with my cutaway ruler, 2 stumps over there and here, and just 2 of these spindles here. And when I have those fitted, I'll be able to remove this and then complete all the other sticks. This is the reformed platform. It's smaller than before, and that means that I can cut all of the holes except number 8 in the middle. It's drilled at 10 degrees. It's written there. It's drilled at 10 degrees. It's drilled to take a 5 millimeter. It's drilled 4 millimeter within here, and 5 millimeter, 5.5 millimeter through the arm. These 8 holes now have been reamed with the reamer, the CB reamer, Curtis Buchanan reamer, and basically I just go like that into the hole until the lead comes out underneath, and I feel it with my fingernail. This piece of rubber here is just to stop me losing the blade, but I do have a lump of motor tire rubber in there that keeps the blade in position. I have 2 stumps prepared and in position, and they've been fine-tuned to give me the required height of the seat. The seat is not in any way carved at the moment. That comes after all of this. I've measured the lengths of the sticks of number 6 and number 10. I number all from the left hand side around here. The middle is number 8 and this is number 15. So this is 6 and this is 10. And I have to finish my reamed joint at just a fraction under 10 inches. This is stick number 6 for this hole here, and I've done some removal of material, and I'll just show you how I do a bit of fine tuning. It's 10 1/16 inches now, so I've to take very little off it, and I do that with this, which is the female side of the reamer. So I'm taking off very little. It's nearly just dust, because very little makes a difference in this operation because it's a taper. It's 10 and a little bit still. About a 30-second or less. I'm just removing what I call dust at this stage. So what I've done since is for stick number 8, I paired the plug and super glued it in the 5.5mm hole, and after 10 or 15 minutes I cut it flush, made a drill point with the sharp brad awl, and then I did the final use of the device here to drill the 11mm hole, and it's looking down here, it's perfectly in line with number 8 hole down here. Then I reamed from below with the reamer, the tapered reamer. So now I have all of the holes drilled. I have them all measured. I have my 3 points, my 3 important points. This measurement down here, 9 3/4. 9 3/4 at this level here, and my center point here, which is 8 7/8 from the top. I'm talking air spaces when I talk about measurements, air spaces from the bottom of the arm to the top of the seat, and the same over here and here. There might be small changes because of the humidity here in Ireland. There may be small changes, but it is important that with these stumps here and the sticks, that they are all dried, quite a lot. And if there's any time spent without building this chair, I would take all the sticks into my dwelling house. They would pick up moisture in the workshop here even overnight.